before we reveal who is the winner. I can see your lips shaking, but any last word?
Man of the World, India sani som pakwa Mizoram ai o tutur than na Mr. India Mizoram sani som pakwa chu amor bo kanita a February ni kuwa indri ni zanda srile chan vekhan Hotel Regency Conference Hall Aizola Man of the World India a tel tour Mr. India Mizoram amor bo kanita a Jonathan Lalmuan puya chu pakhat na ni in manhi na edi zai than moya ni a pathum na sila ram ngay ni in palina zorin kima ani Man of the World India tel tour Mr. India Mizoram hi January tha lei hol vel atang khan in buat sei na le inti sian kalpui chau ani a February ni kwa hian amor bok alo ni ta ani Mr. India Mizoram sani som pakwa Jonathan Lalmuan puya hian April ni atanga ni sari chu Mr. India Man of the World India thlan nei tura Mizoram ayo dona heta hian pakhat na ni chu Man of the World ta India ram ai o vele thung don ni Mr. India Mizoram Grand Finale hi Sport and Youth Services Minister Purbal Romo Roite chuan khwalian ni in hun aman puya Mizoram Entertainment le fashion industry a mi hun tak tak te chu he mi zan hian an kim te ani
You look good with that. Congratulations, contestant number 4, Zoran Kima. And please receive trophy from Colonel British, Commandant of 46 Mizoram Rifles. Thank you so much. Photo session is really, really important. So please step right in the center again with Miss Somdi. And please join him. Yeah, we're going to have a photo session. We'll step out right here. If you do believe, just raise your hand. Okay, you're that confident. Anyway, that's cool. Eddie is raising his hand a little bit, but anyway, so I have the result out here. So number 2, Mr. Sila Ramngaya Angaya. Congratulations, you deserve it. You're going to receive a sash from Lomswali, first runner-up Miss Mizoram, and trophy from Sir Charlie Martina, our jury, our very own jury and fashion designer. Photo session, please. Please step in the middle. Angaya in the middle, of course. Yes. Second runner-up, very well deserved, Mr. Sila Ramngaya. You have done it. Alright, so I'm going to spare you because I want you to hand over the sash to the first Mr. India Mizoram 2019. And the winner have to leave our state on 1st of April to join the show, to join the pageant of Man of the World India 2019. Alright, so take a deep breath. No holding hands like the girls did. So, yeah, smile for the last time. And here we go. The winner of Mr. India Mizoram 2019 is contestant number 3, Mr. Jonathan Lalmuan. Congratulations, that means Mr. Eddie Zaitan Moya is the first runner-up of Mr. India Mizoram 2019. Jonathan, hearty congratulations. Please receive your sash from Mr. Moses and the trophy from the two guests, Mr. Robert Moya Roy. And yes, Mr. Eddie, you have deserved this. You deserve this. So big compliments to you. Photo session, please. Yes, photo session, please. And after that, we will hand over the sash and the trophy to the first runner-up. Congratulations, Jonathan. We agree with the jury. Yes, and we hope that you will carry out this responsibility with pride. So, Eddie, please step in the center. Thank you, our chief guest. Thank you, Moses. May I have Mrs. Tantani, the winner of Miss Mizoram 2018, and anyone from Rainbow Multi-Brand to hand over the trophy. Congratulations, Eddie Zaitan. Well, you have done an excellent job. You have done a great job. You should be really proud of yourself because we all are very proud of you. So, you're gonna... Yes, that's the trophy from Rainbow Multi-Brand. Photo session, please, one more. A photo session. Congratulations, Eddie. Congratulations, Jonathan, Zoe, Kima, and Alaya. Alrighty. Thank you. Please wave to the audience and say thank you. Alright, Jonathan already got his styles from waving. Please join me back on the stage. Congratulations, gentlemen. You have a wonderful result. Thank you to our jury. Thank you to the audience, of course. Alright. much. Good night. Yay.
Mr. India Mizoram red carpet hi malilhon do in a hosa program pa nga hi birulwana isangin hosin Mr. India Mizoram to Jonathan Lelmuan puya alo nita ane Mr. India Mizoram masaber Jonathan Lelmuan puya kan lompui du sang saber kan la ane